What up, guys? Big Clive 34 coming at you today with another truck update. Cars and Clive, the internet for your automotive hangover. First things first, we got to run out and get some stuff to fabricate some stuff and fabricate. First thing I want to tell you is that the comment with the most likes on it gets a free t-shirt, so be creative. Last thing on this camera before this, me following a drunk German around trying to catch a train. That's like a shameless plug for Clive Vlogs. What?
My ex-wife. With a big ass
Watch this
dent
person.
on a Ram Charger.
Wait, what?
And it was all your fault.
Okay. This is where you come when you want to buy car parts, apparently.
Home Depot.
Car Depot.
Exhaust gases. Flex pipe.
Maybe 10 inches total.
Oh, several pieces, but it's always good to have more stock around.
Yeah, that's how you end up being a hoarder like you, right?
No, that's how you end up having shit and not having to run to Home Depot next time.
This is why before you go on a hardware run, you should probably figure out everything that you need instead of getting there and being like, oh, hey, we got the stock to mount the intercooler, but...
Let's just grab a bag and...
Yeah, we got the stock to mount the intercooler, but it has threaded holes in it, and now we don't know what the threads are. So, just gonna buy one of those variety guys if they have them. That'll leave behind too much evidence. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Cut out some of the boring parts because it was getting kind of redundant, but basically, as you can see here, this is lined up like crap. Like you could even see from that angle, this giant gap, and we're using the brackets that he made to try and figure out where this intercooler needs to sit to make it right, because this technically would work, but it just looks awful. I like this thing. Yeah.
Right.
Move it back.
Took a while, but we got her there. That's where she's going to mount. I hope.
Looks good so far.
I say we may take this transcooler and move it underneath just to give us a little more room in here, because this is right at the edge of the condenser core. So
I left him alone for 10 minutes while I was getting all the camera stuff set up, and I come back, he's already cutting something. Coupler. Let's hope this doesn't end in disaster.
well, if it does, I'll buy you another one.
It's gonna be like a whole $3. Oh,
shit.
you're just messing up an expensive part there.
Cutting a coupler. It's called coupler cutting.
Yeah?
Yes.
For what purpose? Is just too long to fit into where we get?
Yes. We have to get it to turn into this space here. I've cut the flange here, and here. So if we can get it to turn into that space so we can get the tube in there without smushing it.
Cross that bridge when I get to it. Think about too much at once. Kind of done. Kind of hooked up to get the boost side in.
Boosty.
And just cutting stuff and worming it around there. Yeah?
See.
Is that your official statement?
Yeah.
No. When you go to get it welded, like I said, you got to get that bung welded. Just take that to him with another 3-inch pieces tubing, and then do it on the tubing. So you only want one copper on there. It should be nice. If we can weld clean enough, it won't look too bad.
I think the wolf was there. So we got it, put it through there, and then it comes up just a touch short. To the right. The lane's to the right, and it's 2 inches short.
3.5.
3.5, 4 inches.
3.5.
So what do we do? Just get another piece of metal?
Yeah.
Weld it to the end of the
Weld it
line.
to that pipe or the other pipe, and then you only have one fitting. You know what I mean?
Unfortunately, guys, that's where I'm gonna have to leave you this week. We did a little bit of intercooler work, a little bit of piping. As it gets down to it, like I've told you guys, I've never really done anything this big before. Still not like a huge job. We're not digging into the bottom end or anything, but as I go through my first time doing something like this, I'm kind of learning that it's a little bit more complicated than it looks. Like people say you just slap this together, slap that together. As you learn and as you research, you get better at it. And I'm sure the second time doing something like this would be a lot better. But for now, we're still learning. We're still making steps. Hopefully you guys are learning with me. I hope that you got something good from this video. If not, just a bunch of fun times in the garage. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please hit that like button, even if your hands are a little bit dirty like mine. Hit the subscribe button below. I very much appreciate it. Thank you very, very much, guys. And that's what I got for you. So I'll catch you next time. Peace.